Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can create this type of big table where there is lots of column or lots of rows in very few seconds. So let's see how we can do this thing. In Apple numbers, to create a table, we just need to click this table from this toolbar and a menu will be appeared. From here we can choose any theme template. So I am going to use this template. For example, this or this is fine. I'm going to click here and a default table will be added, but the number of rows is limited and number of columns also limited. When I started the tutorial, I showed you that sometimes we may need this type of big table. We know that if we click here, one column will be added. If we click here, one row will be added. But to create this type of table, it will take long time. Suppose this data has only 30 rows or 40 rows. Let me check. It has only 25 rows. That means 24 rows are there and one is footer. And it has only some column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 column is there. So if our data set has like 2000 record set, then in this way by clicking one by one is difficult. Now I'm going to show you the trick to do this thing in one single shot. So for example, I'm going to create this table. So here we have 25, that means 24 rows and one is footer and like 10 column is there. Now let's come to the table. So I'm going to convert this thing like that. So to do this thing, at first we need to click anywhere of this table and the table will be selected. You will see the header like this. That means the column will be there and also row number will be there. That means this table selected. Now come to the top right side. There will be two icons will be there. One is format and there is organize. We need to click format. Sometimes you will not see anything here. So once you click here, the format button is clicked, this type of sidebar will be appeared. Now we have to do some change because we want to add like 25 not 25, let me double check. So we need to create 24 rows of data, right? So on the right side of the sidebar, if we scroll a little bit, we'll see there is two lines of data, rows and columns. So rows means 11, that means there is 11 rows are there, and 6 means there is 6 columns are there. But our target was to create 24 number of rows. So I'm going to type 24 and then I have to hit return key and see here 24 rows has been added. Now column section, we had 10 columns, right? So there are 10 columns. So I'm going to type 10 columns here, 10, and then I'm going to hit return key, and here you will see 10 columns has been added, like A to Z and 1 to 25, 24, yes, 24. And there is another one, this row, we can also do that. So at that time, for that we just need to add the header, footer. So here there is footer, we can click one and one footer will be added here. So that's it. In this way we can easily create a custom table or the desired table based on our expected number of rows and columns by using Apple numbers.